Hi, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm JBB the Legend. Today I have a maintenance type video. Seems to run a bit long, and I try to speed up some of the screwing back screws in, so hopefully that helps. But yeah, it might apply if you have trouble with your knife. But the one I'm doing is the Civivi Elementum 2 button lock. I initially had trouble with it opening. It wouldn't open as well, and it wouldn't close either. But yep, it's a lot quicker now. You can even do this sideways. So that's pretty cool, and it's working just fine now. So here we are with our setup. Got a mat, got the knife. So yeah, it was pretty stiff opening it. So after a while playing around with it, does seem like it feels a little bit better, but not exactly. So I'm gonna take it apart, then re-lube it, clean it up a bit, and see if it works any better. But if you haven't seen the video, you want to see the unboxing, I'll have a link above somewhere, and also at the end, so you can take a peek if you want. This is what I use. I know it's not perfect for cleaning knives, maintenance, and all that stuff. So I have a rag, got your alcohol, got your KPL knife oil. It's the original one. I know sometimes some people use the heavy one as well. I just use the one. Then you also have Loctite, the threads. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. It just kind of depends on how the knife is. Then also I have this MK2 bit driver tool. So you'll need some Torx to open up here, the pivot, and these other screws. And then I'll probably fast forward most of this, just opening it up. So also notice there's like a little thread in there. Let's see, focus right in there. On the top here. I don't know how well that comes out. Yeah, like a little thread stuck in there. I don't know why. I also have a mat. It's a glow in the dark one. Just kind of like it. Thought it was cool. So let's open it up. There's also a spring here. So usually it doesn't pop out, but just in case you want to watch out, it doesn't fly away and you don't find it. Alright, so let's see. What are you going to need? So for the pivot one, we have a T8. So Torx size 8. There, and then the smaller ones, probably this one. Yeah, so this one's a T7. These are the smaller ones, so I'll do that. So you can see on this one, the little blue had that Loctite on there. This green one, no. And the pivot, no. So you can see that. And then sometimes you gotta take off the clip here. And the clip might be the smaller ones, right? Yeah, so take off the clip. You are going to need a T6. Just put that on the side here. Take the top off. So you got a little oil there, looks like. Just wipe it off for now. Alright, yeah, it looks like it has some oil in there. You got your spring here. So this comes off. Just giving this a quick wipe, but you come back at it with alcohol. Yeah, so here's the track where the bearings run. Alright, so I'll just leave that like that. Looks like there's something blue in there. These also come off if you want. Then you got your blade here. See the bearings. And then this also is your button here. This also comes off. You know, the other one I took it off, but you don't need to take it off. It's really on there. Maybe they made it different. Huh. Alright, so push this in. Then you got the other side. The C for Civivi. So you can toss that there for now. Let's open this up too. Alright, got that one off. So these also seem to have a little bit of Loctite on there. And the green one too. Just a little bit. Take this off. And yeah, so that blue stuff coming off is some of the Loctite. Oh wow, this is on there. Huh. On that first black Civivi Elementum 2 button lock, this came off. No, this one seems to be stuck on here. Guess that's good so you don't lose it. And this one too. Wow, that's also on there. Oh, that's weird. It's really stuck on there. Huh. Yeah, it's really stuck on there. So I guess that explains why everything is pretty much stuck. Alright. So gonna pretty much just gonna put alcohol in my rag here. Also we have alcohol wipes that works as well. And then let me take that bearing off. Clean everything. Looks a lot cleaner. You got some blue stuff on here. I don't know. So clean this off. Where's my other bearing? Oh. Alright, back again. My camera actually died, so pretty much clean everything off with alcohol, so should be good. Now it's just putting it back together and oiling it up. What you can tell right here is get some of this was rubbing off. You can see that right here was rubbing off. So something was getting stuck, I think. I don't know. We'll put it back. This one. So I'll just work backwards. Then also, like I said, on this green screw, you could put Loctite if you want. And blue screw also has Loctite on it, so you could do that if you want. Then you'll see they also line up color with color. So you got the blue one on the back side and green here. All right. Make sure that works properly. So this goes up, down. Yes, I guess the button is kind of grinding this edge too. That's probably why it was stuck. Maybe I'll hit it with a little drop there. Spread that out there so it has a little more. This doesn't get stuck. So let's see. Might be good. So you got that. Then you need the other bearing. Slide this with a drop. All right. This bearing. Then I'll just hit it one more time too on the other side. All right, so we flip this one around. It's gonna go right. So the spring is actually gonna go right in here. Oop. Spring's gonna go right in here, and it's gonna line up with this. Then as far as you can also hit this with a little bit of oil here. Just a little bit. And you gotta line it. Alright, so that's there. Then you gotta screw this middle one back. Alright, so that's in. Oh, you gotta make sure your Civivi didn't move. If you wanna hold the C2 so it doesn't move on the bottom, that sometimes helps. Put the pressure and then lock this one down. All right, so you don't want to tighten this all the way down, just in case you need to make adjustments. And then I'll also, let's see, blue one is the back one here. So you can also see blue, green, match it up, so don't forget. All right, so that's on there. And then let's see. All right. Still feels a little stiff. All right. I'm pretty much just playing around with it. Let's see, blade play. No, it feels alright. Okay, also still roughly centered there. Looks good. Alright, it's definitely a little bit better, and you're gonna work that oil in a little bit. So that's definitely a lot quicker, a lot better than what it was. Alright, that's what we want, that kind of action. So that's definitely a lot better. Then you can finish up putting the screws in and the clip. But yeah, that should be it. I'll put that one in. Then you're good, and then you gotta put these back in. That was kind of loose. Alright, switch to the T6. This one also back. All right. Little dust. Let's try it out again. All right, definitely better. All right, ready to rock and roll. Yep, still centered. Everything's good. Yeah, I think part of the paint on the blade was hitting the lock here, the button lock, and kind of was making it stiff. Definitely a lot better though. If you didn't see my video of the box opening and you wanted to see it, that'll be here. And also, I do have the Civivi Elementum 2 button lock, but with the black scales, and probably see that video here also.